So I'm hitting up Costco today. And if this looks a little different, it's because it is different. It's a business Costco, not a regular one. Lately, I've been going here because I like it way more. It's less busy. See what I mean? This is peak hours for any normal Costco here. And when it comes to buying normal groceries, you can get just about everything, but you do get a few extras here that you wouldn't get at a normal Costco. Commercial grade appliances. I mean, seriously, a meat slicer. All these. This beefy stove and oven. I mean, it's expensive, but you can get it. These huge ass fridges. And what I really want, commercial grade dishwasher. This will wash your dishes in 2 minutes. Also does cost you 3,000 bucks. But if you wash a lot of dishes, I think it's worth it. I probably would buy that used, but you can buy it here. This is basically a restaurant supply store. You can buy these big metal bins that you would see at a buffet, or really probably any kind of restaurant. This whipped creamer, pretty cool. You get a little canister there to put the air in it. Huge cutting boards, more metal bins. I was thinking about getting this. These are bus tubs. When I was a dishwasher, actually no, even before that, when I was working at a buffet, when I was just washing the tables and cleaning up after people, this was your best friend. And the reason I was thinking about getting it is because I'm cooking a lot more at the house, outside, in the backyard. Kind of nice to be able to load everything up into this. So, and it's only 10 bucks. And you get 2 of them too. By the way, last time I was here, I bought this can opener and I can report back. Amazing, super solid, 10 bucks. Definitely worth the buy. I bought 2 of these, one for the studio and one for my regular kitchen. For parties, business Costco is totally underrated because we all know we cook a lot of food and there's a lot of leftovers. These containers are perfect. You can probably get these at any regular grocery store, but I don't know. I've never really seen them. These compostable containers, 22 bucks for 100 count. That's a good deal right there. And people can leave the party with some nice packaging for their leftovers. But what business Costco is best for is just regular food. Look how giant this walk-in cooler is. It goes all the way down there. Because they serve business owners and restaurants, they cater to people serving a lot of people, lots of volume. So you get bigger size of just about everything. For example, do you have giant bags of garlic at a regular Costco? I actually don't know because this is the first time I've seen it, but yeah, you can get that here. Less than 20 bucks to get a 25-pound bag of carrots. That's pretty crazy. Now, you definitely would never need this. 5 pounds of serrano peppers, $16. This is pretty crazy. What's interesting about shopping at these type of stores, and I've gone to a restaurant supply store as well, is, I mean, here you need a membership, but only a Costco membership, which a lot of you guys probably already have. But a lot of these restaurant supply stores, you don't even need a membership and you can get some really good prices if you eat a lot of that ingredient. My friend Matt went to the US Chef store and I think he saw a 30-pound bag of onions, maybe even bigger than that, was next to nothing. It was crazy. Of course, one of my first business Costco vlogs, I vlogged a 5-gallon bucket of Kiko, which I'll show you guys. That was, I think, 30 bucks, 34 bucks. It would cost way more if you bought those in small bottles. So it's not like everybody can actually get through that much volume, especially with vegetables, but and same thing with Kiko. You don't want to keep soy sauce for too long, but if you're doing a lot of marinades, a lot of sauces, and you just use a lot of soy sauce, it totally makes sense. If you need a lot of guac in a hurry, look, already smashed avocados ready to go. No preservatives added, so never tried it, but I should try that one day. Tell me at your Costco if they have this Greg's Ranch. There's some people that say they can't get this where they live. Want some salsa to go along with that guac? Yeah, they got you here. This huge bin, 128 ounces, 15 bucks. And I bet it's pretty good because remember, restaurants are serving this, so they need it to be good. This isn't anything special, but they do have these big packs of sliced turkey breast, only 12 bucks. We've been eating a lot of sandwiches lately, so I'm gonna get a pack of this. I've been bringing this to the gym lately for my workout days. Some good old coconut water. They do sell this at regular Costco's. I have said this in the past. If you come to a business Costco and you're gonna get stuff from the walk-in cooler, get ready to be cold. I just heard somebody go, because it's freezing in here. That's why I wore a long sleeve today. Whoa, Nelly. This huge 5-pound bucket of Parmesan cheese, 25 bucks. I think this is some legit stuff too. Where is it from? Oh, it's from New Jersey. Interesting. That's a lot of grated cheese. First time I've ever seen this brand, but Judy wanted me to get sliced cheese as well. California Select Farms mild cheddar cheese, $5. We do a lot of pizzas. You need a lot of mozzarella cheese. This whole block, low moisture, whole milk mozzarella cheese, which is good for shredding, and it'll last you quite a while. This whole thing is 14 bucks compared to buying a lot of small ones. This is probably one of the best deals here. If you eat a lot of cheese, of course, which we do because we make a lot of pizzas. 32 pounds of yogurt, 40 bucks. 180 eggs, $31. For egg lovers, there's really no replacement. They got a whole box of liquid egg product right there, 20 pounds of it. Cage-free egg whites. They do have this at regular Costco's, but this is just hard-boiled eggs, individually packed. Liquid egg product, more liquid egg, cage-free Wilcox brand. If you're into margarine, you can get a whole box of it here, the liquid version. And then egg bites, spinach and bell pepper and uncured bacon cheese egg bites. Oh yeah, and then you can get the Kirkland brand egg bites as well, different flavors. All right, so I mentioned onions. This is the first time I've ever seen this before. These onions right here, 50 pounds of onions, less than 14 bucks. Okay, this is a first for me. 2 tomahawk steaks. These are ribeyes with the bone on it. What is that? $13.50 per pound. That's a good deal right there. That's a solid brand too. I do like buying my meats at Costco. They got halal here. Business Costco is really good about having halal products. I think halal is a special way of preparing proteins or any kind of meats or any kind of foods. So they have a lot of options here. Way more than I've ever seen at a business Costco. I'm not sure if this is a new product for me or if it's a new product here. Hum Kombucha, 0 sugar. Normally hum comes with less sugar anyways, but this one has none. So that's cool. And 3 different flavors. Asahi, raspberry, peach tea. I have to try that. I'm gonna try it. It's almost like a kombucha sparkling water. Judy can't survive without her Topo Chico, so we just ran out, get a case of that. Okay, so normally I'm always vlogging all the snacks here because I have legit, big packs of gum and candy bars. I'm not gonna do that today because I don't have a lot of time, but I did just find something that I've never seen at a regular Costco. I think you can only buy it here. Big boxes of Twix ice cream bars. So 24 of them for 25 bucks, which I think is a pretty good deal if you like those Twix ice cream bars. They also have these Reese's peanut butter cup ice cream. Oh, it's like a frozen peanut butter cup, not necessarily ice cream. Or is there ice cream? The Snickers ones, classic. I don't think I've ever seen those at a regular Costco. So yeah, if you're into those, you can get them here. Are you team Twix ice cream bar or team Snickers ice cream bar? Let me know. Our favorite for a really quick bite of protein, these Dino Nuggies here. I'm sure I'm not the only parents that feed their kids this. Really popular with the kiddos. Okay, Judy sent me a list, let me check it. Mango juice, gotta get that. Got the Dino Nuggies, Topo Chico done. Chicken stock, cantaloupe. Oh, I better go back and look for that. Pasta noodles. Speaking of pasta noodles, look at that. See, just like any other Costco, they have a lot of the popular products. Now, what they don't have is that multi-pack, which I'm not worried about. I'll just get this spaghetti because lately, that's what our kids have been eating. Lots of spaghetti, which I love this brand right here. It's been here forever. It's really good. Okay, I take that back. I guess they do have the multi-pack. I'll get that too. We've been buying this for over 10 years now. Probably close to 15. 5 gallons of Kiko melon, 36 bucks. I don't think there's even half-gallon bottles of it, but even if there were, they would at least be 8 or 10 bucks. The savings on that bucket of soy sauce is incredible. Lately, I've had a sweet tooth, and this looks so good right now. Strawberry Belgium waffles, individually wrapped. $8.90 for 12 of them. If we didn't have so many sweets right now at home, I would totally get that. One of the reasons we have a lot of sweets is because the grandparents, my dad and my mom, spoiling the kids lately, so we don't eat as much at home. We buy a lot of this Kirkland brand chicken stock, especially when we're making soups, but even a curry. Instead of using water, we use chicken stock, because why not? A lot of good flavor. It's probably good for you too. Laundry detergent, this is where we get all of our cleaning supplies, just like Costco in general, not just business Costco. Look at that, they even have diapers here. I was looking for diapers earlier and I didn't see it. I guess they just put it in a different section. That's the one thing about a business Costco. The layout is totally different, so kind of get lost in here. More diapers in a totally different part. But yeah, randomly there's size 6. I need size 3. Okay, so I'm just cutting through the snack aisle and I saw this that caught my eye. Goldfishes, the rainbow, flavor blasted, pretzel, and grams. But then I thought, oh, by the way, 16 bucks for this 45 pack. I was just thinking, you know, it'd be awesome. I know it's weird, but they should totally do this. Flamin' hot goldfish flavor. I would totally try that. You know, I'm always talking about the green bottle of Parmesan cheese we all grew up with. How about the 4.5 pound container of the Parmesan cheese we grew up with? That's 20 bucks right there. I don't buy this anymore, but that's a good deal, I'm guessing. 20 bucks for 4.5 pounds of Parmesan cheese. I know it's not quite authentic or like the real stuff, but still. One of the last things on my list is this cantaloupe nectar, which is, as you can see, really popular. Not just here, but, come on. Oh, maybe I should help them out here. See, that's why you don't grab from the bottom. Weird. Why would people grab from the bottom? Jeez Louise. Grab from the top first. Anyways, what I was saying, not only is it popular here, the kids love this mango nectar right here. Definitely a must buy. The kids love this stuff. Last but not least, the milk. Waited to the end to get this, just so it stays cold on the way home. The other thing about business Costco is there's not that many of them. I think there's only one in the Seattle area. It's not even close to downtown Seattle. But for us, it's at least a 30-minute drive, and I only go there when it's convenient for me and I'm in the area, meaning I have to account for how long I'm gonna drive home when I have refrigerated stuff. Sometimes I'll have like a freezer bag or something like that. Is this something special for business Costco? Dairy Gold strawberry milk. Girls will love that. I can't even recall seeing that at a gas station or like a store. I wonder if it's getting more popular here. Let me know. Do you like strawberry milk? It's very popular in Japan. And there you go. Time to check out.